Good morning. This is Frank with Trade Stalkers. It's the 9th of February. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. First of all, we got a couple of major economic reports at 9 o'clock. We have the JOLTS job openings, and we have wholesale trade. So let's take a look for the next 3 to 5 minutes where I'm going to give you some targets to the upside, targets to the downside, and areas of consolidation. Quickly here, we look at, it looks like we opened just below this red dash zone, which is going to give us some key support resistance today. Open up here at 1850 area, and then we closed right below the 24-hour VWAP and just slightly dropped down and basically consolidated to about 140 this morning, right back up to this red dash zone last night. Come back and retested it here at 1841, and then straight up to 1856.50. Then we came back down and slowly, moved sideways here until about 410 this morning, and it looks like here's where we touch that zone again. Back up to retest this red zone so we can see it's going to become very important resistance today, later today, some point. At that point, we just started to move downward. We finally got our close. Looks like around 6:15 this morning below the zone and below the 24-hour VWAP. Went straight down to the next zone and then all the way down to a previous zone from yesterday, as you can see, down to this 1820, looks like 1828 area. And now we just kind of consolidated sideways since about 7:40 this morning. So what we want to look for, if this is going to be a continued down today, we're going to look for this retest at 1833, possibly a quick move up to 1840 at the market open. And then we're going to probably straight back down to the 1824 area, test this zone, a little bit of pullback here to the 1828, and then we should head straight down to 1805. And this is only if we're going to have a down day. 1805, this zone here, all the way down to 1794 to 1785. At each key level, take some profits off, be prepared for the bounce. Just kind of keep an eye. If we get some consolidation sideways, the market's going to get real tired. So we're going to look at that area for a bounce to go to the upside. So just watch that. Now let's just say the market reverses hard up here at the open, and we're going to look for targets to the upside. First of all, we're going to come up and retest this VWAP at 1840. Up to retest will be at 1851. Wait for the pullback into this zone from 1845 to 1840 before going long. First target on the long will be the 1856.50. Look for your pullback, and this red zone needs to hold at 1850, or we're going to go into consolidation for a while. So this would be your consolidation range of 1856 to 1845. So wait for a clean break of this at 1858, and next targets would be 65. Next targets would be 1873 to 1876, and that's because we have a pivot line here, another key pivot line at 1881. Possible next target will probably skip through this zone and should be at 1890 because of the red dash up here. 1900, if we really have an extreme good day today, should be our high. Reaching any one of these key areas, look for the bounce back down or retrace back down for the day. This is a very volatile market. Take your profits at the key zones. Leave your runners on for good profits. This is Frank. Have a good day.